Dude, he went sideways. He got a little nervous. He grabbed the door a little bit when he went sideways a little.
I wasn't ready for it. I thought we were just coming back. And
Yeah.
we're just going sideways.
Dude, it's nice.
It just goes.
It doesn't stop rolling, and it's so planted. Sheesh.
We got a little taste, right? A little taste. I'll tell you what, I was nervous to shit. To high heavens, to lower hells, I was nervous as a mother, but. So I went over to Graphix Lab. We did the 2-week checkup, 10-day, 14-day. Take care of any lifting or bubbling or anything that might happen after your install, just to make sure everything's great. And at the end of my video, you saw me kind of freak out because I saw that LCA issue. Oh, what's the LCA?
This should be resetting by itself, but if not, on 10 days checkup, we can always calibrate it for you.
Calibrate, okay, all right. I guess the lane change assist throws a code if you kind of unplug things without turning off the battery. I don't know, I could be wrong. But no matter what, I guess that's a common thing that once you unplug things that are dealing with the sensors, you're gonna get a code and it's gonna tell you to recalibrate or that it's not working properly. And it won't work properly. Like, the mirrors won't go down, the windows won't act right. And then you always have that annoying message, which I'll show you again here. LCA, not available, service required. So what happens is if I go to put the car in reverse, first off, you know, your little markers that say, oh, there's a car to your left or your right, those aren't working, so those aren't engaged. So I'm gonna back out of that. So now if I put the car in reverse, the mirror on the right goes down, right? But the mirror on the left, nothing happens. So that's not the only issue. The other issue is when I put the top down, right? I put the top down, the windows go down and whatnot, but they don't come back up. That's the issue. Usually when this is all coated, that the windows would come back up. As long as I figure this out, I'm good with it, because I don't want to bring it back to Porsche for anything. See, look, I bring the top up and the windows don't go up, but the little side windows do go up. So now I gotta go in manually and bring the windows up. And then usually you have the auto feature here on the window and you just hit it once and it goes down, but now it just stops at that location. So everything's manually now. It's crazy. You can check out the PPF and see what's bubbling, what's not bubbling. Got a little bubble there, little bubble there on the gas cap. It's not a big deal. Some kind of slit there, huh? When I brought it back to Graphix Lab, I was kind of nervous. I was like, man, maybe these guys aren't gonna be able to fix it, but man, I was wrong. Don't doubt those guys. They were fantastic. This thing's perfect for 2 dozen donuts and a coffee carrier. So then you hand cut and then put up the strips on the sills?
Yeah.
Dude, that's crazy, man.
We fixed the
sensors and everything?
the sensors.
Dope, brother. I'm just gonna turn this up. Hopefully everything kicks in. Yeah.
This is for the back.
So they're all separate.
Yeah, and then once you turn it off, it goes back to the 2 pounds.
Oh, let me see. Okay. The computer, you saw that there was edits, or there was like issues?
It's because he said that because of the mirrors, once you take them off.
Do you have to take it off
like,
the battery? Is that what it is? You unplug the battery, then you take them off, or is that what happens if you don't get a code? No, right?
Does it matter?
Yeah.
If you have to take off the mirrors,
Yeah.
this will always happen.
It would always happen.
So,
Ah,
he said
gotcha.
it's
Okay.
like,
Dude, I'm loving that there's no code, man.
yeah.
Sorry if I scared you a little bit. I didn't mean to Dude, he went sideways. He got a little nervous. He grabbed the door a little bit when he went sideways a little.
I wasn't ready for it. I thought we were just coming back. And
Yeah.
we were just going
This car
sideways.
is crazy.
Dude, it's nice.
It just goes.
I mean, everybody would like say.
That's pretty good, right?
It's hella powerful, man.
Yeah, it's nuts. I guess we're good, brother. Dude, you gotta get one, brother.
Definitely.
We gotta bring up the Gallardo together, man.
Yeah, we should. We should go for a ride.
Yeah, dude.
Why not?
Dude, thing's amazing. Dude, appreciate y'all your help.
Yeah, we usually go actually cruising for like run like Alice restaurant or stuff like that.
I wish I recorded your reaction on that. He was like, oh!
I was not ready.
He's like, yeah, we'll go for a little.
I thought we're just making a left to
Yeah.
back to the shop, and then
he saw that
just
he-
going sideways for no reason.
No reason. That's what you have to do with this, man.
Yeah.
It was
Well,
nice.
200 miles on the dash, dude.
It was nice, dude.
Yeah, it's a good feel, brother. All right, man. I won't keep you guys any longer.
Let me know.
Mo, Mari, Leo, everybody at the shop, fantastic. I'll show you the message now. No issues, baby. We're back to being good. No LCA issue. That little sensory code thing will kind of turn off on its own. It's kind of like when all the lights, once your car idles for a little bit, that just vanishes, just little codes and stuff. But pop this thing in reverse. Mirrors work, man. Ooh, life is good. And then I'm gonna put this thing back in park. But man, we're set. And then the windows work properly. There's a little haze there because I pulled the window down when it was wet, but I gotta just wipe that off. But the tint looks great. The work is phenomenal. The car is fully wrapped now, so no, I don't have to worry about anything. You know what I mean? So that I'm excited about. I'm gonna pick up my boy right now. We're gonna go for a little rip, see how he likes this thing. He hasn't been in it yet. He was with me at that day I dropped it off at the PPF at Graphix Lab, so he's the one that kind of covered his face, but he'll be back out. So took care of the little bubble that was on the gas cap, so that's straight now. Everything's great now. I got the mirrors are working, LCA's working, so we're good now. The mirrors work properly now. They go up and down, they do everything it's supposed to, and then the glass actually works properly now. After dropping it off that Graphix Lab, they took care of all the bubbles. There was that nasty bubble right here. Mo, fantastic, which looks amazing. There's no more bubble there. All the issues in the front, that's all taken care of. There's no bubbles or anything anymore. There's some little lifts here and there, like there's a little guy right here, but I'm really not going to worry about that. It's protected, that's all I'm worried about. I'm really stoked that this little braille that was on there is gone, so that's good. All in all, the PPF came out great. These black wheels are gonna be the death of me. Maybe I should update. Yeah, all the seams look great now. And they did the slits on here. Might get a little lift because of the heat, but at least they're covered, man. That's all I worry about. And he did this stuff by hand, bro. That's crazy. I feel bad for Mo, but he did a phenomenal job. Those little lines in the, when I first picked it up, those are all gone now. Those little lines that you could see it was over here, those are all gone. But now I gotta do some rooftop protecting because it's gotta be waterproof. But thing's dope, man. These are gonna soon be replaced. There's no LCA issue anymore. So windows go down normally, everything's good. Interior looks great. And now if we go back into the dash, we don't have any warning lights or anything. There's no LCA issue. The windows, mirrors, everything works great. I just want to say thank you to everybody at Graphix Lab. Leo, Mo, Mari, the whole crew. They've been phenomenal. If you need PPF work and you're in the Bay Area or you're in SF and Peninsula, wherever, hit up Graphix Lab. They did not disappoint. And they were so quick with a response, their email, they were just on point with everything. So feel free to reach them out, let them know that Jeff sent you with the Porsche 911, you know what I mean? When I went to go pick up the car on Saturday, there was actually a gentleman that actually saw my video. So Scott, what's up, brother? I see you. You'll love your PPF job. They phenomenal. Congrats on your GTS Macan too. That was a beautiful ride. Yeah, man, they took so good care of this car. Everything's working. I can finally have my baby now. I can bring her back, I'll dust her off, and get her cleaned up. And now she's home for good, man. I'm so excited. There'll be way more videos now ripping up in this car now. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, do whatever it is we gotta do. But man, again, if you need any PPF work, hit up Graphix Lab. They've been phenomenal. All right, I'll check you guys in the next one.